Welcome to Language Models That Listen and Reason, where the cutting edge of computational linguistics is explored through the lens of 80 groundbreaking papers published on November 6, 2025. In this episode, the latest advances in how artificial intelligence learns to reason, explain, and adapt are uncovered. The focus will be on evaluation, efficiency, and the pursuit of trustworthy AI. Join this journey into the heart of language technology research. Here's what to expect in today's deep dive. The presentation will explore how machines are bridging the gap to human language, highlighting the major research themes shaping the evolution of language technology. Tools and methods for evaluating and improving AI reasoning will be introduced, along with spotlights on 3 seminal papers and their real-world impact. Finally, a preview of the future is provided, where language models become smarter, safer, and more accessible. Computational linguistics serves as the foundation for teaching computers to understand and generate human language. This field powers essential technologies such as machine translation, automatic summarization, speech recognition, and conversational AI. It acts as a bridge, connecting the complex and nuanced world of human communication with the precise logic of computational systems. The impacts are far-reaching, influencing healthcare, law, education, and everyday digital tools. The stakes are significant, as the goal is to enable meaningful, safe, and accessible interactions between humans and AI. A central theme in recent research is evaluation and trust in language models. Traditional metrics are no longer sufficient for assessing advanced language models. Mudgal et al. Introduced the REFLEX framework, which utilizes language models themselves as impartial judges, marking a shift toward reference-free and scalable evaluation methods. Emphasis is increasingly placed on models that can justify and explain their reasoning. Evaluation has become both a subject of study and a vital tool in AI research, driving the development of more reliable language technologies. Another key theme is reasoning, explainability, and calibration. Nakaran et al. Investigate semantic calibration in large language models, examining how models can indicate their confidence and admit uncertainty. Techniques such as chain-of-thought prompting are shown to impact the reasoning processes of these models. Explainable AI is critical for building trust, especially in high-stakes fields such as healthcare. The centrality of reasoning and transparency is underscored as foundational for the broader adoption of AI technologies. Efficiency, scalability, and memory optimization are at the forefront of current research. Allah et al. Present BudgetMem, a method for selective memory use that enables efficient processing of long texts, extending the reach of language models from short messages to entire books. Mixture of experts architectures now allow scaling to trillions of parameters. Memory savings exceeding 70% are achievable with minimal loss in accuracy. These efficiency gains open pathways for advanced AI to operate on everyday devices, expanding accessibility. Retrieval augmented generation and multimodality represent pivotal advancements in language technology. Retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, combines external search with generative capabilities, allowing models to leverage external knowledge for more accurate and informed answers. RAG demonstrates particular strength in specialized domains such as law, medicine, and rare disease diagnosis. The expansion of these techniques to low-resource languages and new modalities, including speech and images, is ongoing, with multimodal benchmarks propelling the field beyond traditional text-based tasks. Several critical insights emerge from the analysis of 80 papers in this research wave. Reference-free evaluation, as exemplified by Mudgal et al., enables scalable and domain-agnostic assessment of language models. Semantic calibration, explored by Nakaran et al., forges a link between model confidence and real-world correctness. Selective memory policies, such as those in BudgetMem by Allah et al., drive efficient processing of long contexts. Retrieval augmented systems are shown to increase accuracy and transparency in high-stakes applications. Ultimately, evaluation, efficiency, and trust are identified as core drivers for the next generation of language models. Breakthroughs in computational linguistics are achieved through a variety of methodological innovations. Reinforcement learning from verifiable rewards is employed to train models to reason robustly. Retrieval augmented generation grounds AI responses in external, verifiable facts. Agentic pipelines, systems composed of specialized AI agents, are utilized to tackle complex tasks. The LOW-PT framework introduces lossless parallelization for speeding up multi-step reasoning. Human and large language model in the loop evaluation methods are increasingly adopted, bringing nuance and alignment with human values to the assessment process. A closer look at the REFLEX paper by Mudgal et al. Reveals a significant shift in evaluation methodology. REFLEX employs language models as impartial judges of summary quality, eliminating the need for human-written references. This approach outperforms traditional metrics such as Rouge in distinguishing high-quality summaries and enables scalable, cost-effective evaluation in domains where gold standards are unavailable. REFLEX is pivotal for rigorous, automated, and interpretable assessment of AI systems, signaling a transition to models serving as both evaluated entities and evaluators. The BudgetMem paper by Alla et al. Introduces a novel approach to handling long context processing in language models. BudgetMem enables models to learn which pieces of information to retain or discard when analyzing long texts. This method achieves over 70% memory savings with minimal reduction in accuracy. As a result, advanced language understanding becomes feasible on everyday devices, empowering scalable AI for applications involving long documents, legal records, or medical histories. BudgetMem represents a paradigm shift toward smarter, rather than merely larger, AI systems. Nakaran et al.'s work on semantic calibration addresses the alignment of model confidence with actual accuracy. The concept of semantic calibration is introduced, wherein a model's self-assessed probabilities are matched with real-world correctness, not just at the word level, but in terms of meaningful answers. Standard models are shown to be well calibrated, yet popular fine-tuning techniques can disrupt this property. Calibration is linked to the model's loss landscape and internal representations, providing a framework for the design of reliable, self-aware language models. This research is crucial for ensuring trustworthy AI in medicine, law, and other high-stakes domains. Looking ahead, the future of computational linguistics is defined by pressing challenges and promising directions. Robust evaluation frameworks are being expanded to address new tasks and modalities. There is a concerted effort to support more languages, especially those that are low-resource or underrepresented. Ongoing work is focused on mitigating hallucination and unsupported generation, enhancing the safety of AI systems. Ensuring security, privacy, and ethical deployment remains paramount. The fusion of efficient architectures with human-aligned explanations and calibrated confidence is anticipated to drive the next wave of advancements in language technology. This synthesis and review were produced through a collaboration of advanced AI tools and human expertise. Research was summarized and analyzed using OpenAI GPT 4.1, while Google text-to-speech and image generation tools provided multimedia support. Content was reviewed by human experts to ensure clarity and accuracy. Despite thorough evaluation, some oversights may remain. All referenced papers are made available for transparency and further reading, reinforcing the commitment to open science and rigorous scholarship. Thank you for joining AI Frontiers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly deep dives into the latest breakthroughs in AI and language technology. Stay informed on the evolving landscape of computational linguistics and share your perspectives to help shape its future. In this podcast, the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI are brought directly from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, complex research is simplified so listeners can stay ahead. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv.org.